46 milking cows. 46 milking cows, about 100 total head of cattle. We've got some heifers in the field, some babies like this that are in the barn.
How old is she?
She turned a year in July.
Okay. How often do they get milked?
They get milked twice a day.
Twice a day.
Every day. No holidays here.
2, 3.
I'm gonna fall.
How many chickens does the club have?
The club has about, I'd say about like 100. I'm not really sure. A little less than 100.
Where do you keep them?
We keep them inside a coop and we take them in at night.
Oh, okay, excellent.